Let's explore the best cookware for your health and cooking needs, inspired by the Dishing Up Nutrition podcast about cookware. These days, there are so many options, but what is actually healthy for us? So back in the 1950s and 60s, cookware by Teflon was a household name. This was traditional nonstick cookware that contains PFAs, which are considered forever chemicals. These forever chemicals are concerning because they have been linked to certain cancers, immune disorders, altered thyroid regulation, reproductive problems, birth defects, and are hormone disruptors. Thankfully, there are safer options these days, so let's explore those. Ceramic cookware claims to be a safer, more sustainable alternative, and this is where it gets tricky because they are safer than traditional nonstick and they don't have PFAs, heavy metals, coatings, and dyes. However, it can be hard to find a lot of information on what is actually in the coating, and some suspicion has been raised in recent years. So there are better options out there. Now, stainless steel is highly regarded as safe because it's generally not reactive. It's great to use for high heat cooking and searing. It cooks really efficiently with great heat transfer. Cast iron is another great choice for good searing and heat transfer, and these are generally our choices. If you want to learn more, comment healthy cookware and we'll send you the link to our full podcast on this topic.